How to add Bitcoin BTC to Tonkeeper. To add Bitcoin BTC to Tonkeeper, follow these general steps. Launch the Tonkeeper wallet on your mobile device. Log in using your PIN or fingerprint. On the main screen, tap Add Asset to search for new tokens. If this option is unavailable, tap the browser icon. Use the search box to look for Bitcoin BTC. If BTC is not listed, check if a wrapped version is available. Tap Receive and copy the deposit address. Alternatively, scan the QR code provided. Open your external wallet, paste the copied deposit address, select BTC, and initiate the transfer. Verify transaction details, including network type and fees. Submit the transfer and wait for confirmation. Return to Tonkeeper and refresh your wallet. Confirm that Bitcoin or wrapped BTC has been successfully added. Done. You can now manage BTC in your Tonkeeper wallet. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.